Hey guys, El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Okay, and we have a 2017 Camaro here, convertible. Now remember, most people think that the best time to buy a car is a convertible is in the summer, but that's not true. It's actually in the winter. We carry them all year round because we have an indoor warehouse. So you can come get a very good deal on your next convertible from Brooklyn Mitsubishi, okay, from El Patronn. We got this one and many more. Mustangs, we got Challengers, we got everything you can think of convertible. We can get it for you if we don't have it all year round. Okay, the best time to buy a convertible is in the winter, okay? So come get it from Brooklyn Mitsubishi. This thing only has 17,000 miles. It will not last. Very aggressive pricing. We want to get rid of it, guys. Over 800 cars for you to choose from. Come get it.